Hi everybody, this is the Left-Handed Shooter, and today we're going to take a look at my Victorinox pocket knife, or what known as Swiss Army knife. Now this is a white one that has like snowflakes on it. I didn't buy this one. I actually found this one. Laying on a sidewalk. So I picked it up and here it is. I've had it for a few years. Never really used it, but let's take a look at it. This thing I believe there's like 16 different features on this thing. So let's go over them. First off is the bottle opener, which is this guy right here. This is your bottle opener on here. Then it has a 6mm screwdriver attached to that. So we can close that down. Okay. Now we have the large blade, which is, let me see, probably like, how long is that thing? About 2.5 inches. And it has on description on these ones, a lot of them all say this. It's Officer Souci, which in French means French officer, which this is for non-military applications. They put that on there. Okay, that's the large blade. Okay, it's got tweezers, which is inside of here. This one has a magnifying glass. Okay. And oh yeah, this has the reamer. It's a reamer punch and sewing deal, which is let's move this thing out of the way. Push it the wrong way. Which is this guy right here. Let's push this thing out. And damn it. Well, it helps when you don't close onto your key ring here. There. Also comes with a key ring right there. It has a Phillips screwdriver, which is supposed to be like a 1/2 inch size, I guess. Which is that right there. Okay, it's also got a small blade, which I think it's like what is that thing? 1.5 inches. It's got the corkscrew. Pull that down. Let's see, what else? We got multi-purpose hook, which is this thing. I don't know what you use that for, but if I find some reason to use it. Then we have obviously scissors. And then here we have the small 3mm screwdriver. And also this is a sort of like a church key can opener type of deal. And last but not least, since I found this thing on the street, I've never used it. Toothpick. I just keep this out of my mouth. And there you have it. This is the white snowflake. It's kind of funny. Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Also comes in about 3.6 ounces. And let's see, 3.6 ounces. Oh, it's also 3.6 inches long. It's about an inch wide. Height is almost an inch, 0.09. And there you go. So if you got any questions or comments, just leave them below. Remember to like, subscribe. And remember, on this channel, we like to say, let's go, Brandon. Catch you guys on the next one.